All right, it's time to add some slime to our slides. Some slime. Slime. Dominic's getting slime. Let's put some slime. Slime. All right, we got a lot of slime in this. Now we're ready to start our races.
What's up, everybody? My name is Damian. My name is Deion. And this is Damian and Deion in motion. And today we're going to be doing the Slip and Slime Challenges.
What's up, everybody? What's up, D&D squad? Today we're going to be doing some slip and slide slime challenges. These guys have a race ahead of them. The first thing they need to do is they're going to grab these sharks right here in front of them. Be careful because they bite. What they're going to do is they're going to grab them. They're going to have to jump and slide down this slip and slide full of slime and soap and everything to make it slippery. Once they get to the end, they have this other pool full of more slime, some slime bath with some bunch of balloons. What they're going to have to do is they're going to have to grab a balloon, and they have some targets over here that they need to hit. We have 1, 2, 3 targets. They have to hit 3 targets. Deion will hit the ones on this side, and Damian will hit the ones on this side over here. What's up, Dominic? You wet? Oh my gosh. All right, so they're gonna have to hit these targets. Once they hit each target, then you're gonna have to run this way. In the middle of these 2 pools, we have more slime. They're gonna have to run over here. They have a sponge. They're gonna have to run back, get the sponge soaked, and then run all the way back to their bucket and fill it up all the way to the top. Then they have to grab one of these balls right here and then try to hit the splash tank. The first player to hit the splash tank and knock it over is the winner. Ready?
Yes.
Set, go! Go, 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 get the targets, get the targets. Who's gonna hit the target first? Miss. Nope. Gotta hit the target. Damon got 1.
Oh, so good. They just fun. Oh, so good.
Oh, Deion got 1. Get the other 2. It's 1 and 1. Oh, that's 2. 1 more. That's 2, Deion. 1 more, the other small one.
Ooh, can you put it in the back way?
Yeah.
Got it.
Nope, you gotta hit the target itself.
Oh, I got it. Okay.
Oh, that was so close. You guys are running out of balloons. Oh, Deion got it. All right, get your sponge. All right, keep filling it up. Who can fill it up first? Who's gonna fill it up first? Squeeze that, squeeze it. More, 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 hurry. Damon is letting it soak, Deion, you gotta let it soak. Who's gonna get it first? Yes. You guys have a long way to go. Squeeze it all. Yep, you're not squeezing nothing, Deion. Oh, Damian almost has it. He's a little bit past halfway there. Who's gonna get it first? If you get 1 more, Damian, you're good. Hurry, Deion.
Oh, Deion is far.
Oh, Damian is almost there. He just needs one more to fill it up. If he gets it, he can start throwing the ball. You got to throw the ball from the little pool, Damian, to hit the target.
I get it?
All right, Damian, you're good.
No!
Keep going, Deion. You got to keep going. He might miss it. Oh! Nothing. He got his target! And the winner is Damian with the slime.
It's hard to finish.
Oh!
It's hard to finish.
It's hard to finish? Good job. That was a good race.
Ooh.
You guys want to try one more time?
Yes!
All right, let's go one more time. Here we go. Oh, we got to put some. All right, for this one, we're going to fill up Deion with a little bit of, help him out a little bit. Because he has trouble. His hand's a little bit smaller.
What?
So we're going to fill it up a little bit. It's like 2. I think it's fair. I think it's fair. It's not that much. Because Deion's hands are smaller. And then on the target, I mean, he was throwing from a little bit closer because your throws are harder than his. So I think we're good. Ready?
Yeah.
Sit. Go. Keep sliding, Deion. Keep sliding.
No! Oh, now it's full slime.
1, Damian. 2, Damian.
No! Mom! 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 I'm talking.
Ooh, that was close. Bella's trying to get him.
I went over.
Oh, you got it, Deion. You got it. That's 1 for Deion.
Oh my god. I hate that one. I got the last one. Oh my.
A little bit higher, Damian.
What?
We're running out of balloons. Oh, that's nope. You gotta hit the top. Oh, that was so close.
I just wanted to.
Oh, there it is. Deion, you still got 2 more to go. Keep going. Don't give up, Deion. Don't give up, Deion. Oh, you got one. One more. Damian is filling up his bucket. Oh, you got it. Get your sponge.
Ow.
You guys are pretty much tied right now.
That's it.
Hurry. Squeeze it good. More. Dominic. Go, hurry. You're almost there, Deion. You're almost there. It's a close race. Go get more. All right, go. Both of you, throw the ball. Get a ball, Deion. Hurry. Ah, that didn't hit the target. It hit the top of the tank. Hold on, I'm going to fill it back up. You guys have to hit the target. If you don't hit the target, hit over here. Doesn't count. You got to hit right here. Ready, Dominic? Dominic, you ready? All right. Ready?
Yeah.
Sit. Go. Don't hit Dominic. Oh my God, your throws are way off. Whoa. Ah! Damian got it again. All right, good job, guys.
Oh, legit. Thank you guys for watching. This was a Sip and Slime Challenge. Be sure to subscribe, comment, and like the video.
All right, guys. Hope you guys enjoyed our challenges. Damian won both challenges. Deion was pretty close behind there, though. I think it's because there's a 4-year difference. But you'll get older and you'll get stronger. You'll be able to beat them one day. All right. So thank you guys for watching. Until next time.
Bye.